Welcome back. This is Anesco Academy. We're still treating types of chemical reaction in chemistry. Okay, in the other videos, I've explained the different type of chemical reaction, including addition, thermal decomposition, replacement, double decomposition, reversible reaction, thermal dissociation, catalysis. Now, the remaining one is what? Redox. The word redox means oxidation, reduction, what? Reaction. Oxidation, reduction, reaction. Okay, that's a reaction that involves what? Oxidation and also involve what? Reduction. What is oxidation? Oxidation, we can define oxidation. One, addition of oxygen. Whenever oxygen is added to a substance, that substance is said to be oxidized. So oxidation is addition of oxygen. Removal of hydrogen. Whenever hydrogen is removed, is an oxidation. Number three, removal of electron. Any atom or element that loses electron is said to be oxidized. Now, removal of electron means increase in what? Oxidation number. When electron is removed, oxidation number increases. Okay, opposite of this is what? Reduction. Now, reduction can be defined as what? Removal of oxygen. Number two, it can be defined as addition of hydrogen. Number three, it can be defined as what? Addition of electron, which also means decrease in oxidation what? Number. All right. Any substance that brings about oxidation is called what? Oxidizing agent. What are oxidizing agents? Oxidizing agents are substances, mostly non-metals, that brings about oxidation. That is, substances that easily gain electrons are oxidizing what? Agents. Oxidizing agents, at the end of the reaction, they are what? Reduced. So non-metals are oxidizing agents. Now, reducing agents are substances that easily lose electron. That is, substances that brings about reduction, but at the end they become what? Oxidized. Group 1 is the most reducing group, followed by group 2, group 3. Then non-metal, group 5, group 6, group 7 are oxidizing, but group 7 is the most oxidizing group. Okay, so in equation, they can an example, maybe an equation, you may be asked to determine which of the reactants is oxidized, which of them is reduced. Any substance, any element that gains oxygen is oxidized. Any compound that loses oxygen is reduced. Any compound that loses hydrogen is oxidized. But an element or a compound that gains hydrogen is reduced. Non-metals are usually what? Reduced, because they will gain electron, while metals are usually what? Oxidized. If you combine sodium plus chlorine to form sodium chloride. Now, the oxidizing agent here is this. Reducing agent is this. Now, since sodium is reducing agent, sodium is one that is oxidized here. Then chlorine is one that is what? Reduced. Reducing agent brings about what? Reduction, but it ends up being what? This is reducing agent brings about reduction, but end up being what? Oxidized. So this is a reducing agent, but in this compound, it is what? Oxidized. Here, this is oxidizing agent, but here it is what? Reduced. Thank you. Please do not forget to share. Remember,